Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, beep. They're so cute. What are those? They're smaller than your average bird, like little tiny. I don't know how to explain it. The mom is as big as a finch. Beep, 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 beep. Pretty cool idea to build a house and put a hinge on it, and then you can see the babies. Got another idea here with a glass roof, but nothing's moved in. Got another one over here where we put a lock on it, and if you open the lock with a key on a chain, we just built this one, and there's going to be 2 babies that you could look at. Pretty cool idea if you guys want to build something like that. Back over here to 6881. Let's get a good look at them. Beep, 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 beep. Those things are freaking small. They're probably like an inch. They're so tiny. The mom, we've got to look at her, but she's so small. Never seen that bird in Michigan before, but it's found a mate, that's for sure.